Hello, this is Mike. In this video, I shall demonstrate a way on how to use a DAX query to append multi-ranges while Power Pivot data model in Excel. This is one efficient way when you use Power Pivot to handle many data tables in Excel. To get ready for the method, we need to install the DAX Studio as Excel add-ins. The software is free to be downloaded from the website. The URL link is attached in the description. Search Google, download it, and follow its installation wizard, and you will get this DAX Studio to be added in your Excel add-ins in top ribbon panel automatically. In my Excel demo template, I have the DAX Studio installed already. It enables you to edit your queried table by DAX query with Power Pivot data model. I shall use my Excel demo example to show how to use the Excel add-in DAX query and create this appended table. In the demo, I need to combine three tables in worksheets of sales in America, Asia, and Europe. The first step is to add the three tables in Power Pivot model. In the worksheet Sales in America, highlight the whole sales table, click Power Pivot, choose and click the Add Data Model. Power Pivot Data Model edit windows opened, and the added table is displayed in Power Pivot Data View. Give the name AM to the table. Then we repeat the previous step to add sales in Asia table into Power Pivot data model. And give name as AS. And the sales in Europe table into Power Pivot data model. Give the name as EU. In the Power Pivot window, top ribbon panel, choose the diagram view. We see all three tables. Second step, create and evaluate the DAX query to append three Power Pivot tables. Back to the Excel worksheet window on top ribbon panel, choose and click Add-ins. Click the DAX Studio. In the Connect box, choose to connect the data source from a Power Pivot model. In the left side model panel, we have our three Power Pivot data tables listed there. Now we can create and evaluate DAX query formula in Studio Query Editor. Type evaluate, enter to the next line, type union, open parentheses, choose AM from the left panel, comma, AS, comma, EU, close parentheses, move mouse to top left panel and click Run. In result window, we have the DAX queried table. It is a combined appended table. Highlight the whole query formula and copy it. Third step, create DAX query to generate the appended table. Back to the Excel worksheet, combine or appended multi-ranges. On the top ribbon panel, click Data and choose Get Data from Other Source, blank query. Power Query Editor opened, and an empty query table is created. Give the name as Combined Table. On the left top panel, find and click Close and Load tool. In the Import Data box, keep table as the default view. choose the existing sheet B62, tick the and this data in data model. We see an empty table listed, but this table is in Power Pivot data model. Now let's right-click on the table, choose and click Table, Edit DAX. In the pop-up Edit box from Command Type drop-down list, choose the DAX. Paste the DAX query formula we copied before from the DAX Studio. Then a combined DAX required table is generated. To work on the combined table in Power Pivot model, you may edit it back into the Power Pivot and give it a different name. See Final Combined Table. Let's do a test on the created DAX query. And one more product ID 105 sales row data into the sales in American table in worksheet. Choose and click the data, refresh all. We see the combined table gets updated in the worksheet and in the Power Pivot data view both. That is all from this video. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button. Thank you for your watching and see you in next video.